right, so there's this guy that has a YouTube channel that either he likes me or he doesn't like me. So I built a car one time. It was a, what year was it? I don't know. It was an Impala. It was an Impala.
And I gave you hell about it.
And it was doing a wheel stand, and he was the hardest guy on me about it didn't have a driver. But I explained to this guy that it was an AI-driven car. I did explain that to you when you interviewed me at Acme last year.
Yeah, we can link to that video, and I don't buy it.
It was AI-driven. It had the software in there that you did not have to have. I mean, for goodness sake, Tesla is working on an app that's something like Uber.
You have no apps.
But hold on.
You have no apps.
But the car will leave your house, and it would go pick up somebody, take them where they want to go, and it would come back to your house without you having to do it.
You say so.
And that is legit as far as Elon Musk says, but you just laughed at me the whole time.
No, I didn't. It was almost like
I
listened to you.
It was almost.
I listened to you.
It was like it was a joke. Okay. It was like it was a joke. You didn't think that my technology was as sophisticated as it was. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. And then he has the audacity
to prove it wrong where you are.
He has the audacity to make a model car.
Where you were during all of that, during your wheelie car days.
He's got the audacity to put me in the passenger seat of his little stinking Porsche.
That does wheelies.
I'm sorry, Porsche.
Yeah, that too.
His little Porsche that he somehow, there's no way that you can actually.
That's you.
He thinks that this is me just because he's got my t-shirt on.
No, look at him.
It doesn't even look like me.
No, you have a hat.
No.
And you have a glasses.
It doesn't look like me at all.
And you're kind of skinny, and I painted you, and it does wheelies.
So he thinks that he's just some kind of comedian because he's now got the driver that he thinks should be in the Impala.
That's me. I'm driving.
Okay, in the passenger seat, I said.
Yeah.
How come you get a helmet, but he's got a...
Okay, so let's put this little thing back down, okay? Sorry, I don't want to break the front wheels off of this. So he has the audacity to put the driver that he thinks should be in the Impala in the passenger seat with just a lap belt. Yeah. When he himself has a, was it 5-point harness?
It looks like
a 4 or 5-point harness. He gives me a lap belt. He's got my arms flinging back like that thing actually has some power. That's ridiculous. To be honest with you, it's just ridiculous. Did you have to add that spoiler on there just so it will balance?
Absolutely. And it made it better. Look what's up underneath it. I don't know. You need to put your light on.
Look at this. Such low detail on this model anyway.
It has a monster up underneath it.
This is so funny. I'm sorry, I didn't break down.
I love that.
You guys haven't been seeing me just shield my laughs, but anyway, this is so funny. Anyway, Tim.
My friend Matthew.
This is so funny.
Glad I met this guy. And I
this is my friend Steve.
And I trolled him.
So he showed me today. So when I watched his final video on this, I really just skimmed through it. I didn't really watch the whole thing. He said, so
it's not done. I pointed at it. It's like there's something wrong here.
Yeah,
it's like there's something wrong here.
My wheels are already spinning about what to do for the next one. First, I don't really think I'm done with this one. Something is bothering me about something, and I might just have to do something about that.
So I didn't watch that part of the video, but anyway, he said that the car's not done. But anyway, the car that I saw had the driver, had the engine, had everything, right? The overdriven supercharger.
Oh, we need all the boost.
Yeah, all the boost. You got to have all the boost. So he had all that stuff. And then I saw the car here at Acme, and I said, I thought it wasn't finished. He says, oh, no. It wasn't finished. You've got to see this. And then I went and I zoomed in with my bifocals, and I saw that the T-shirt said "Model Car Videos," and he supposedly made a replica of me with his high horsepower Hemi doing the. Dang, that thing is kind of like heavy.
Oh, pick it up.
Yeah,
It's like 3/4 pounders.
it's 3/4 pound.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Okay, let me pick it up. I got to pick it up on camera.
You ain't gonna mess it up.
Yeah. You should pick my Impala up. It's way heavier. It's way better. So Tim's car may have a driver, which, yeah, I don't, right? But how much did he say his weighed?
This model wound up weighing 185 grams. That's heavier than a quarter pounder with cheese.
Let's see what this old Impala weighs. Let me balance it on the back tires. I don't have to have a bumper for it to sit on. 256 grams. Wow. At least mine's heavier. Way heavier. It's way better.
Oh, you just broke it.
Oh gosh, it fell down. I didn't see that. Sorry. Okay. Anyway.
Who is this guy?
Oh man, it's not bouncing now, Tim. Okay, it stayed. It stayed that time.
So this other guy kicking the table.
Steve is over there bumping the table. Come on, man, stop it.
Yeah.
Anyway, no, this is super cool. This was all a big joke. I think it's super cool that he actually added Matthew Inman in the passenger seat, but I don't appreciate the fact that you just gave me a lap belt.
I'm sorry.
What,
You
so
signed
hold
the
on.
waiver.
So hold on.
You signed the waiver.
So why did it cost that much to not give me the extra safety?
It's dangerous, and if you're gonna ride with me, you need to
But the other thing
assume the liability.
Is that right? So just me hitting my face on the dashboard is just assuming the liability?
You hadn't done that yet.
Okay, but when it comes down from this massive wheel stand, don't you think that there's going to be some violence that comes into this BAM, and then my hands come down, possibly hit the dash, break my wrist?
Probably, but then you can build some models.
But not with broken wrists.
And they'll be better.
Okay, well, explain to me. So let's talk about the model real fast. Okay, get past the jokes and everything. He's trying to belittle me that I didn't have a driver in my Impala.
I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't like this guy.
I know. So you printed out. This looks like some sort of a 426 Hemi or something like that. Modern race Hemi.
Yes. It's 3D printed engine, 3D printed wheels, custom made decals. The name of the car is Moby Dick.
Oh, it is. You know, that's the first time I actually paid attention to that since you said it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Moby Dick was the name of the Porsche whale tail.
Oh, cool.
From the 935. I kind of have maybe a thing that I make sick Porsches.
Well, you do a really good job at it. I'll be honest with you.
And I got more of them. There's more coming. Because I'm not a Porsche guy.
I'm a Porsche guy, not a Porsche guy.
I don't know how to say it either.
I like to hang out on the porch.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly.
But it was like once I got it done, it didn't have a passenger, and I was like, who do I want as a passenger? And it comes out. It's like the dashboard comes out. It's like
It comes out?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is it magnets holding it in?
No, it's just been.
Oh, my goodness. You look at that.
Look, the lap belt's not even connected.
Matthew fell out.
I don't think I've ever held myself, so check it out. Wow. That is insane.
And that's a 3D printed head. You're pretty close. That looks like
Look at that. That looks just like me. How did you do that?
That's 3D printed. I actually, you don't want to know.
Okay. I want to.
The name of the file was Scared Little Boy.
Well, I hope that I'm more than a little boy, but anyway.
That's what it was called. And I was like, oh, it looks just like Matthew.
If I'm riding with the massive white helmet guy, I probably would be scared.
But he does have the Tim Custom models on the chest.
Oh, he does. Yeah. So zoom into the chest there, Tim Custom Models. I didn't see that.
I mean, when I
See, the thing about custom built model cars, you do not see stuff. You do not see
see
stuff.
what Tim custom models look like.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, wow, that is huge.
Oh, that's what he looks like right there, but he's got a helmet on, so you're lucky.
You're lucky. He just said it. You're lucky.
You're lucky you had a helmet on. But anyway, nah, very cool. I think it's super cool to actually. Can you put me back in?
Probably not.
Yeah, I live outside.
Seatbelts weren't even attached, so he really doesn't care about the safety at all.
No, I don't care about you.
No, it was absolutely an illusion.
But it's a fun model, and I'm glad to be able to say that I put Matthew in my model to do wheelies, and maybe
Break it.
oh, it'll break.
I used to.
That's it.
Oh, you gotta see the bottom. It has a monster up underneath it.
Oh, it has jaws under it. That's what you're trying to get to a while ago. Now that's cool. That's cool. That's thought, because mine are just flat black and nothing under the bottom. You actually put jaws under it.
Which is
No,
it's Waterboro. I was here for 20. I was
it
here
wasn't
for
jaws.
5 years, and then I moved.
It's a whale. Moby Dick.
Oh, Moby Dick, but that dude had teeth.
Yeah, I wanted teeth.
Okay,
It was
more like
AI.
jaws to me.
It was AI generated. I was like, give me monster, sea monster with
Oh
teeth.
my goodness. Anyway, it just popped up on the screen that the battery has 15%, so we better wrap this up.
Because the older I was getting, the
Anyway.
harder it was.
Super cool. Appreciate you, Tim. Thank you, man. Just for hey, I'm super honored to be in your car.
I'm super honored to be on your channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Watch this. We have fun.
We
So
do.
the
That's
next
what
time
this
you go
modeling
up
hobby's
there,
about,
take a
is
day
having
for
fun.
the
Right, Steve?
Acadia National Park. Oh, you'll love
Hey, if you
it.
want any
It's
good
right
deals on model cars,
It's
just
right
see him at the
on
next show.
it's right on
All right,
the
anyway.
coast.
Hey, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, as always, mcvproducts.net, hobbynutmodels.com, and you can go check out his channel if you want. Tim Customs.
I got a shop card.
Oh, you got a shot card. It's nice too because it's got a turd on it. It's a turd.
That's where I was living.
All right, guys. Take care. We appreciate you.